So a lot of protests have been happening in Delhi lately because the gang rapist of the Unnao gang rape case, former BJP MLA Kuldeep Singh Sengar, whose life sentence was suspended by the Delhi High Court, although that suspension was stayed by the Supreme Court today. But the idea is that a lot of people were fighting against the suspension, saying that a 17-year-old girl was gang raped, her father, her uncle were killed, her two aunts were killed by Kuldeep Singh Sengar and his supporters, so he shouldn't be given bail at any count. So this woman was seen holding a placard called "I support Kuldeep Singh Sengar," and in the translation of the video one could see that all she was saying that I support this person and also that I believe in the law. And as a researcher who's working on gender-based violence in India, it's primarily thought of that if somebody is acquitted of a crime is naturally equivalent to that person being innocent of the crime, but that is rarely the case in a country like India, where a lot of people reside in the rural areas where they do not even have access to running water and electricity, let alone good healthcare system or educational system. So especially women who come from minorities, especially women of lower caste and lower class, they even struggle to get their cases registered and an FIR lodged against their rapist, and they solely rely on the social media outrage to be heard or seen, let alone have a rape kit performed on them. So a lot of rapists get acquitted because of those reasons, because there's not enough proof to prove that they're guilty of a crime in a conventional setup that does not make the survivor who's coming forward to talk about her assault and violence as somebody who's lying of the crime, let alone of other things. Also, it was very interesting to note how when reporters asked her if something was to happen to your own women or if something was to happen to your own daughter, would you say the same thing? And then that woman is seen brushing past that and saying, I have said whatever that I had to say, because she comes from a place of privilege where she can say whatever that she wants and still safeguard her progeny or her people. And also the idea that the crimes of the other or the crimes which is perpetuated on the other is always seen as brushable. As long as it's not happening to me, we are all right.